Hi, I am Olivier. I am the VP software for Dreem, and I joined the company 8 years ago in 2014 when it was founded. I have worked for Dreem since 2014. In the beginning, it was a really small company, but with already high ambition. The ambition was to improve the sleep for millions of people already. In the beginning, though the team was quite small, so my role was mostly to start developing the products in backend, frontend, and mobile. As our team grew and we started to have more and more users and to change the life of more and more people, my role evolved to become a bit less of a developer but more of a manager and starting to organize the team, build process, and think about what will be the next step for Dreem. So the specificity and what makes it challenging and interesting at Dreem is the fact that we use many different technologies because we have a hardware product. So that means that on top of the classic software jobs that we have, which are the mobile, the backend, the front-end, DevOps, etc., we have jobs such as machine learning engineers and embedded software developers. So the technology that we use to create all these products are really diverse. So for mobile team, we are building in native language, so Kotlin for Android and Swift for iOS. In the backend, we have a microservice architecture with mostly Django, but a bit of Go and Rust. And for frontend, mostly React. And for the machine learning, we are using tools such as PyTorch or scikit-learn. And finally, for the embedded software, this is embedded C on a Linux platform. So as many other companies, we face different kind of challenges, and especially in software. The way we choose to face and to address this challenge is to make sure that we build a team spirit in the team so that people are here for one another, and when someone has a bit of an issue, is a bit stuck, is facing a difficult challenge, someone else in the team, even if it's not exactly in his scope, can be here to help him. That's kind of the spirit that we want to build in a team. It has worked so far, so that's something that we want to keep. So our development cycle is pretty standard. We are functioning in Scrum, so the agile method. Every 2 weeks, we're having sprint retrospective and sprint planning with all the actors, so the developers, the product owners, the designers, and the stakeholders. So we decide on what should be the list of the tasks that we do for the coming 2 weeks. We agree on that. It doesn't move for the next 2 weeks. Then after these 2 weeks, we have a release. We push this in production. We check with the users if this release is successful or not, and then it will feed our next cycle. So we are looking for many candidates. If you think your profile can match the job description that we are looking for, feel free to contact us and let's see together if you can be part of the Dreem family.